My name is Mustain and I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test.
Okay.
So shall we start?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Okay, my first question is, what's the name of your hometown?
My hometown is called Lahore, and it's quite a historical city and it's famous all over the world. So people call it Lahore. In local language, they call it Lahore, but actually it's Lahore.
Is it a big city or a small city?
Well, in fact, now it has become a large city. In the past, it used to be a very small city, even walled city. But now, because of the expansion and the suburban areas, they have become the part of this city. So today, I would say Lahore is actually a mega city.
Please describe your hometown a little.
My hometown is quite a vibrant place. And I would say it's an ideal place to live. Like people from other towns, they always love to come and stay here. And about Lahore, it is said Lahore never sleeps. So I think my hometown is quite modern with all the modern facilities.
How long have you been living there?
I have been living here since my birth. Actually, I wasn't born here, but my father had migrated to this city before my birth. And ever since my childhood, like I spent all my teenage, my childhood here, and even today I'm here. So I've been living here since my childhood and I spent all my life in this city.
Do you like your hometown?
Obviously, I love my hometown because Lahore is the heart of my country and Lahore is my sweetheart as well, because I'm quite familiar with this town, and this town gives me a feeling of love. Wherever I go, when I reach back Lahore, I feel good. So I really love this city, and to answer your question, I like my city very much.
Good. Do you like living there?
No, I don't like living here now because, you know, the urban sprawl, a lot of people have come to this city. Even the place where I live, it used to be a very quiet and calm place, but now there are so many houses, and in one house there are 10 to 15 family members. So because of all this thing, the urban sprawl, now Lahore has become a noisy city. It's overpopulated now, so I want to live into a peaceful place. So therefore, in future, I don't think I would be living here.
Would you say it's an interesting place?
It's a very interesting place. Like, first of all, if you talk about entertainment, Lahore is full of entertainment. There are so many entertainment places like cinemas, restaurants, theaters, art centers, so you'll find them. On the other hand, because the city is quite modern, you will come across modern transport facilities, metros and all that. So due to all these things, this place has become a place of amusement, and a lot of people visit this city just for amusement, for fun. So I would say my hometown is quite interesting place to live.
What do you like most about your hometown?
There are several things that I like about my hometown, but above all, I would say it's the hospitality. Because the people of my hometown, they are famous all over the world for their hospitality. So this is the thing I like. Although I also like the openness of the people. Like, people are quite funny and they try to enjoy, they laugh and they make people laugh as well. But I think above all, it's actually serving the other people hospitality when they come to this hometown.
What's your favorite part of your hometown?
Well, my favorite part of my hometown is actually a restaurant. This restaurant is called McDonald's, because I love fast food. So whenever I find some free time, I always go there. This restaurant is located in the area called Gulberg, which is in the downtown actually, and there are so many buildings around. So that is my favorite part, because whenever I go there, I sit at the balcony and there I enjoy my favorite fast food and I look at the traffic and lights and all that.
Okay, so we're done. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.